Hey, hello, YouTube friends and fans. Just think I might have picked up one of the good buys of the century. It's on the table behind me. Stay tuned. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. So I picked up this clamp off of Facebook today, and it's going to be hard for you guys to read it, but that says Armstrong 78-408. And so I've looked this up on the internet, two different sites. Guy on eBay's got it for like 80 bucks. There's another website has it for somewhere around 72. So paid 20 for all three clamps here on the table. So the one's worth its weight in gold. And the reason I bought them is because I tried making a homemade brake. Check this out. I think I failed. And the reason I say I failed, if you look down through there, how badly that is not attached properly. Plus my arms are not strong enough. And not only that, but when I put this one and only C-clamp that I had on here, so the way I had this originally set up, so basically just a homemade version of a big fancy brake. I had it on there like so. Slide the old C-clamp in. Like I say, it didn't want to turn past the clamp. So that was the issue there. What I had to do, pull the clamp back as far as I could, and it just barely squeaked by. But it must have lined up in that clamp. So as far as the brake working, it did work, but the jaw's just not big enough. So next, the 2.0 version will be much better. You know, that ain't too bad. Let me take you and show you what I was bending that metal for. You guys recognize this part, if you've seen some of the other videos, had a Weber grill. This is the bottom panel, and it's in really bad shape. So it was damaged quite heavily. So anyhow, I took this piece of aluminum here, flattened it out, and let me show you the grill. So if you haven't seen the previous video, got this grill given to me for free. Replaced some internal burners and stuff. But here is all the work that we did. Met that nice piece of aluminum. Even cut out and replaced little magnets here. Just drilled the hole and cut it out. So all in all, I think it worked out really well. The bends don't look too bad. Let me open that up. You can see. So, like I said, it didn't turn out too horrible, but It's not nearly strong enough to do future work. So, I'll try to bring you back for the future product and show you when it's complete. And I want to tell you thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Try to bring you a few more things. And if you remember watching the old video where I put together the black toolbox, sold it for $150 last night, and it was missing a drawer.
Yeah, there is no milk.
You think it went bad?
Yeah? It's a bad milk. The milk is dangerous here.
Let it in, look.
The milk is dangerous.
What's wrong with that milk, Ian?
It's dangerous. It's nothing. He tried to trick us.
I tried to trick you?
No, it's dangerous. It's dangerous. Put it back in the fridge. It's dangerous.
No, I just drew that on there.